Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change spark plugs in a Hyundai Veloster. First, let's prepare. You will need a few key tools, including a spark plug socket, a ratchet, and a torque wrench. Always make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before starting. For your safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal before proceeding with any work under the hood. This simple step prevents accidental electrical issues. Now let's get to those spark plugs. Begin by carefully removing the engine cover, which is usually held on by a few clips or bolts. This will reveal the ignition coils, typically 4 of them, sitting directly on top of each spark plug. Gently disconnect the electrical connector from each coil, then unbolt and carefully pull each coil straight up and out. Keep them organized for easy reinstallation. With the coils out of the way, you can now access the spark plugs. Use your spark plug socket and extension to carefully loosen and remove each old plug. Take a moment to inspect them for any unusual wear patterns, which can indicate other engine issues. Before installing the new plugs, hand thread them into place to avoid cross-threading. Finally, use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's recommended specification, typically around 15 to 25 foot-pounds. Great job! Now it's time to put everything back together. Carefully reinsert each ignition coil, ensuring it seats properly over the new spark plug, then reattach its electrical connector. Replace the engine cover, making sure it's secure. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Once everything is buttoned up, start your engine and listen for smooth operation. You've successfully changed your Veloster's spark plugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.